How to draw Kion from the Lion Guard, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Kion today, we're going to begin by drawing his hairline right towards the top center of the page. Then, on each side of the hairline, we're going to draw one curved line to make the outline of the top of the head. Nice, now let's go ahead and draw those two curved lines that I previously mentioned. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome to Learn How to Draw Hub. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials every single day, so if you're looking for a new community to draw with, then you're in the right place. Now that we have those two lines drawn, we can finish drawing the hair. So far we're off to a great start. Now we can go right beneath everything that we just drew, and we can go ahead and draw the eyebrows. Beginning on the right hand side, each of the eyebrows that we draw will be very thick. I drew those two eyebrows before I drew anything else because it'll let us have a good idea of where everything else should be. For example, I'm now going to draw the nose, right beneath and in between those two eyebrows that we just drew together. Now going from left to right, we're going to draw a curvy line to help separate the nostrils from the top part of the nose. On the inside of that small space that we just made, I'm going to draw the nostrils by making two small circles. Now connected to the nose, we're going to draw an outline that will go around Kion's mouth. This will also help separate the colors of Kion's fur. Now to draw the actual mouth of Kion, we're going to draw a simple curved line that will go across from left to right that will be connected to the nose in the center. Later on we'll come back and add whiskers. In total, Kion will have 3 whiskers on each side. So as of right now, we have an outline for the top of Kion's head, but we don't have an outline for the sides of the face. Let's go ahead and draw an outline right here on the left hand side, which will be a curvy line that will connect to the outline of the mouth that we just drew, and we'll do this on both sides. Both sides will both be the same length. It's important that both sides that we draw are the same size, because if they're not, then Kion's face will look disproportionate. Okay, I know what you're thinking. You're probably looking at the drawing and saying, well, now we have empty space between the top and lower part of the head. Well, we're going to go ahead and close this off right now by drawing the ears on each side. For each ear, we're going to draw a simple line that looks similar to a C. Then we're going to connect it to the top of the head by using a simple curved line. Well done! Now let's do the exact same thing on the left hand side. So now the ears of Kion aren't plain, so we're going to want to go ahead and add in some detail on the inside of each of the ears that we just drew. Keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. Great job! Now let's move over to the left hand side and do the same thing. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like. When you like our videos, it tells YouTube to recommend them to other artists, so then that way we can continue to grow our drawing community together. So now they're all done drawing the ears, the next step will be to draw the eyes, right beneath the eyebrows we previously drew. Let's begin on the right hand side, and we're going to draw a small circle with a bigger circle attached to it, with two circles around the outside of it. The circles that we draw on the outside will help separate the colors. Whoa, I'm really happy with how my drawing is coming along so far. I hope yours is coming along great as well. Now just like everything else, let's move over right here to the left hand side and do the exact same thing. And don't forget that next I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now we're almost done. I'm just going to add a small curved line going from left to right on the nose for a little bit of detail, then we just have to draw the whiskers. Keep in mind that on each side of the face, right by the nose, we're going to draw a total of 3 whiskers. They'll all be pretty close in length. Thanks for watching on How to Draw Hub. This is How to Draw Kion from Lion Guard. If you want to see more videos just like this, then be sure to subscribe to the Learn How to Draw Hub YouTube channel and give this video a big like so that we know that you enjoyed it. Great job today and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.